Hey everybody, it is 7/11/2024. I'm Connor with Honor. Welcome to your Santa Clarita Real Estate Update. We're going to get into two things that are going to benefit, one for buyers, one for sellers today, close to the end of the show. But currently, let me get into today's spectacular inventory. We haven't been this high in Santa Clarita real estate with listings for many, many months, if not longer. 453 total active real estate listings for sale. That's all across Santa Clarita Valley, all of the cities, starting from, of course, Castaic, Canyon Country, Newhall, Saugus, Stevenson Ranch, and Valencia. So that's everything. That's all the active inventory. Again, up higher than it has been, setting a record for the 7-day price trend that I monitor each and every day. For you sellers out there, one of the things I want to mention is make sure that you get a good valuation on your property before establishing the listing price. There are many factors to look at, but most importantly, whenever your agent's pulling comps, make sure they're looking at when those comparables are going to expire or exceed the usable time frame that appraisers can use, which is typically 6 months of data. So that's important. If your agents can evaluate your property, make sure they put that into play. For you buyers out there, make sure that your agent is following up with your lender so they know each other, especially if that lender comes from an outside source or you or yourself or some kind of referral. But it is very important to make sure your agent and that lender are connected, because once escrow starts, it's going to be an incredibly lender dependent process to be able to make that deal actually close. Agents are going to have a lot to do with it as well. But at that point, I can't tell you how many times trying to call the buyer's agent when I'm representing a seller, how many times they give me this. Well, I haven't talked to him. Well, what's the update? Well, I don't know. Well, Loan Doc should have been in a couple days ago. I don't know. I said, well, do you know the lender? No, I don't know the lender. Well, we've had 3.5 weeks of escrow for you to get to know the lender. And in fact, I'm surprised we got this far. That should have been something that should have been taken care of at the beginning. So because of that, because I've been doing this since 98, I actually ask the other side about their buyer's lender, and I also ask about that relationship that exists. Does it come from the agent or someone else? And if it comes from somebody else, please tell me you've established some kind of communication. That's it. I'm off the soapbox. Thank you for watching today's real estate update. Again, 7-Eleven, and you know why that's my favorite. Oh, you know what? Real quick, let's do this. Coming soon, listings 10, new listings 68. 56 properties have had their prices changed. We have 15 listings that have come back on the market being for sale again after the escrows have been canceled. 28 listings under contract, 17 listings have gone pending. 46 closed, 3 expired, 9 canceled, 4 withhold have been put on hold, 1 withdrawn, leaving us a total of 453. Thanks for watching today's real estate update. Yeah, it's true. I can do something every day about Santa Clarita real estate. Check us out at www.santaclaritaopenhouses.com. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.